Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we're getting into some real data cleaning. And honestly, this is the kind of problem you'll see all the time in real projects. If you look at the job titles table, you'll notice a few problems right away. First, the job title column is messy. Instead of just text, it has a number and a title. So it's mixing between the ID and the job title. Second, the ID title column is almost empty, like a 90% null. And third, the very first row, that's not even a data. It's just ID title, job title, and manager. So basically a duplicated header from the PDF. So let's fix that first. Go to the top, home, remove rows, remove top rows, type 1, then click OK. And just like that, clean start. Now let's fix this column. Click on the job title column, then go to transform, split column, then choose by delimiter. In the window, choose space, and make sure it says leftmost delimiter. Why? Because we only want to split the first number from the rest. Then click OK. And now look at that. You've got one column with numbers 1, 2, 3, one column with job titles, exactly what we want. Let's clean this up quickly. Rename the column 2.1, for example, ID title new, and the column 2.2, job title. Always keep your names clean. Future will thank you. Now remember, the original ID title column is basically useless. It's full of nulls. But now we have the correct IDs in the new column. So here is the easiest move. Delete the old ID title column and rename the ID title new to just ID title. And done. No complicated formulas, just clean logic. One quick check before we move on. Look at the ID title column. If you see EBC letters, that means it's text. Click it and change it to whole number, because IDs should always be numbers. Now look at your table. Clean, no fake headers row, proper ID columns, clean job titles, no null issues. This is how your data should look before building anything. So in this lesson, you removed a useless row, split one messy column into two, fixed missing IDs, and cleaned your structure. And this is real Power BI work. Now you're officially thinking like a data analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.